Hello everybody! So what we are doing today is that we need to take the input from the user. For example, in the rock, paper, scissors game, if the user inputs capital P or lowercase p for paper, both sets of input should be accepted. So in my starting code I need to take paper, small p or capital P, both inputs should be accepted. So let's say I have my player 1 take input. So if I hit Ctrl S and hit F5, if I say small p, it will give me small p. If I say big P, it will give me capital P. What I want to do is to take both small p and big P into account. So what I will do is make an if statement. So if P1 is equal to small p, we'll print small p. So let me add a condition for capital P. So let's hit F5. If I say small p, it will print small p. I can also say here, if I input capital P or lowercase p, it should print input P1. Otherwise I can say, please input R or P or S. These are the only options for the input, but for right now I can just say, please input capital P or lowercase p. Here I need to fix this condition. So if I run it, if I say small p, it will print input small p. If I say capital P, input is capital P. If I enter something like L, it will print please input capital P or lowercase p. This is one thing I can do. The other thing I can do is that if I don't want to use the OR condition, I can capitalize this p by calling the capitalize function. So let's look for the capitalize function. So Python capitalize string. So there's some Python documentation on this function. Here I can see common string operations. There are different operations. You can choose whatever operations you want, but I am just focusing on capitalizing the input right now. For capitalizing, it says, capitalize each word string using str.capitalize. I have P1 here which I need to capitalize, so I'll say P1.capitalize. So my P1 will always be capitalized, regardless of whether the input is capitalized or in lowercase. I need to check if P1.capitalize equals capital P. If it does, then the input is P. Otherwise, I will ask the user to input something else. Hit Ctrl S and F5 to run it again. If I say small p, the input is still P. But if I say capital P, the input is still P. But if I give something else, like S, it will print, please input P or P. So you can either use OR conditions, or the capitalize function for your conditions, whichever you prefer. So hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching.